Hi, Kuya, math time. If I add 5 to 5
Question.
and take 4 away, how many remain?
Six.
If I add 6 to 3
So I add 6 to 3, that equals 9.
and take 5 away, how many remain?
3. Am I 4?
If I add 4 to 4
Equals 8.
and take 7 away, how many
One.
remain? A man had 6 pairs of socks.
Okay, then.
He wore out 2 pairs a month. How long did the half dozen pairs last him? How many months long? 6 pairs of socks, 2 pairs per month.
Pairs of month.
He uses 2 pairs of socks per month, every month. How long did the 6 pairs of socks last him? How long? How many
6.
months long?
I mean 4. 3.
3, how many months?
3.
So if it's in January, how many months? Till what month?
March.
If I receive 12 pens and use 3 ball pens a day, how long will the 12 pens or 1 dozen of pens last?
1.
If I use 3 pens a day, how long will the 12 pens last? How many days it will last?
4.
4. So if we started in Sunday, how many days?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
4 days. 4th day is?
Wednesday.
648 is what? Greater than, less than 820. 648 is less than or greater than 820. Answer.
Less than.
Nakaipon si Kelly ng 18 piso samantalang ang kay Kayla ay 12 piso. Magkano ang pinagsamang ipon nilang dalawa? Kelly's allowance, Kelly's money is 18 pesos while Kayla is 12. How much is their money put together? 18 add to 12. How much is that?
30. They together, their money is 30.